Hey guys, we're so lucky that Natto Master will teach us how to cook the natto. Let's take a look. Taking the lid out. Now I see that there are the dried leeks on the right and on the top left they are the cooked squid. Pour Japanese mustard into the natto. And on the top of the leek there are the mayo. So what's gonna be for today's natto? Let's take a look at it, how she stare. We have to stare and stare so hard. I think we need a skill of the staring natto. Suppose that she's checking the how sticky. I guess it's the stickiness of the natto. Now it's come down to, I believe, that chopping the squid. It's amazing that her technique of the cutting squid into the small pieces. So let's take a look what's gonna be next. Okay, she's put on a wrap. Okay, it looks like a squid's going to the microwave to heat it up. Okay, it looks like a mayo is on the top of the squid. Pour them into natto. And the leek on top with the natto and the squid. Looks like a squid and mayo and the leek mixing with natto, and here comes the natto sauce. Looks like you add the extra taste. I guess this is some of the flake come with this special natto. I can see them dry seaweed and something else inside, but mixing with everything, and they add mixture the squid, mayo, and natto sauce, and this top of the special ingredients will help the natto add the extra taste and the flavor. Okay. Now here is a final product of today's special natto, made by Natto Master. How closely we can look at this special natto, and we can learn from this. Ooh, yummy!